everyone, my name is Brandon. I'm from TraitQuest, and today I would love to introduce you guys one of the world's most simple employee engagement tool that allows you to connect across your team. So without any further ado, let me press on this button to bring you through an example of how does the onboarding in this our company works itself. So press on here. So once I press on this button itself, it shows that I have a few challenges that I have to go through in completing this whole onboarding journey itself. The first challenge that we are actually having is actually a called read through. It means that it's actually an interactive information sharing platform where it allows you to learn all the information about your onboarding process. So when we click into it itself, it shows that I have a few things that I need to read on, like for example, my chairman's message. So I just have to click on here to read my chairman's message. And once I'm done, I just have to press I have read this button at the bottom part of it. So once I've pressed it, it shows that I've completed the first challenge and I have 33% of progress in this whole onboarding journey itself. Oh, congratulations on that. For second challenge itself, we have a challenge called assessment, which is actually a recap for you to recap on whatever you have learned in your first challenge or even during your onboarding process. So let's click into it. And once we have clicked into it, it shows that based on what I've learned, I need to have a quiz or I need to test on how much I'm able to comprehend on all the information that I've learned and absorbed, and it's time for you to warm it up. So let's press the start assessment button on the bottom part and press yes. So this is the question that says what does malware stands for. So during my onboarding, I believe my superior or any introducer of me that introduced me into the company itself, they have explained what does malware means. So I believe the answer will be, this is the answer of it. So I just click on this to submit my answer, and I press submit to submit these assessments and to complete the challenge. Wow, I've scored 1 out of 1. Thank you so much, and congratulations on me because I've scored well in the above sceneries and the assessment itself. So this is where I can read any feedbacks on whether did I score well or I score poorly itself. Right? So that's challenge number 2. And we would love to proceed to challenge number 3. So challenge number 3 is about a verification challenge where it allows the company itself to create a real physical quest or a real physical challenge to challenge all your employees and your talents and all your teams to further explore or to even submit their own proposal based on any physical challenge that you throw to them. So let's click into it to find out more. Like for example, in this challenge number 3, my goal or my ultimate challenge is actually have to follow the current steps, which is step 1, form a team of 2, right? Step 2, based on my imaginary heroes during my childhood time, how can I plan out to bring out this hero into a Marvel Studio plan in 3 years' time? So I need to execute a plan to bring out that particular heroes into Marvel Studio plan. So what happens is that I just have to work with my friends, come up with the plan itself, and come up with a proposal. And last but not least, I just press on this button to ask for a review. This is where you just have to clock in all your numbers of hours in doing the proposal or the number of dates that you've used or utilized to complete this proposal. So I just have to select here, right? And then once I'm done with this, I can actually press on this button to choose my proposal that I wish to submit to my verifier. So I just have to press that button, and last but not least, send verification request. So once I've sent this verification request, my verifier or someone who needs to verify this proposal will receive the notification bell. So let me just bring you through how does that work. So much. My request has been approved, the skill has been unlocked, and the feedback is impressive. Let's juice it up. So thank you so much, verifier, for verifying my challenge on this stage itself, which is challenge number 3, a real quest. So when I press on this button on the back, it shows that I've completed the whole journey in this onboarding journey itself. Congratulations to me on that. So that will be it, and that will be the end of what I would love to introduce to every one of you all on these new features and on this new simple and employee engagement tool itself. So if you happen to have any problems in your company itself, do let us know, engage with us, and we actually will show you how does our solution helps you in increasing your employee engagement by 91%. Stay tuned.